Your Honda Accord's brakes are its most important safety feature. Let's talk about why they sometimes fail. Honda Accords are known for reliability, but even the best cars can have brake problems. If your brake pedal feels soft or goes to the floor, you might have a brake fluid leak. Check under your car for puddles near the wheels or under the engine. Another reason? Worn-out brake pads. If you hear squeaking or grinding when you press the brakes, your pads are probably too thin. Driving with worn pads can damage your rotors, making braking even worse. Sometimes it's not the pads or fluid at all, it's the master cylinder. This part sends pressure to your brakes. If it fails, your brakes may not work when you need them most. Air in the brake lines is another common issue. If your brakes feel spongy, air might be trapped in the system. Mechanics can bleed the lines to fix this. Don't forget the brake booster. If your brakes are hard to press, this part could be the problem. Bottom line, if your brakes feel off, don't wait. Get them checked right away. Brakes keep you and everyone else safe on the road. Stay safe out there.